Welcome to my home. My name is Edward Hosack, and I'm a sales representative for Travis Industries. Today, we're going to talk about Fireplace Xtrordinair's new 42 Apex wood-burning fireplace. The GreenStart remote system is installed in this fireplace. What I would do here is I just tap that button, the light turns green, and boom, we have a fire. So now here's the fun part. We're going to light a fire in this Apex wood-burning fireplace, but remember there's a couple things to do before we do that. One, we got to open up the bypass damper because we want that smoke to go right up the chimney. Two, we want to make sure that our air control is all the way open. Okay? Three, obviously we have to open up the door. Now I'm going to go get some wood, so I'll be right back. What I like to do is put a big piece in the very back and a big piece in the middle. I take some kindling, not very much, just a few pieces. Put them on top of the wood pieces I already laid down there. Put another piece there. Then I'm going to take some bigger pieces, lay those right on top just like I was loading the firebox full of wood. More wood, the more heat. So now we're going to go ahead and start our fire. What a simple way by using the GreenStart. So I'm going to hit the button and here we go. Usually in about 30 seconds or so you'll start to see flame. Imagine that, lighting a wood burning fireplace by Fireplace Xtrordinair with a push of a button. No paper, no matches, just a push of a button. And now we have fire. Another feature that the GreenStart has is what's called a refresh start. What you would do is simply push the button twice and the green light will blink and the igniter stays off, but the pump comes on and just pumps air into the firebox. So let's say you had an overnight fire, you just had some coals left over. You can put your fresh load of wood onto the coals, push that GreenStart button twice, the light starts blinking, and boom, you're going to have a fire real quick. So now that the fireplace is up at temperature, I'm going to put a piece of wood in it so I can get a longer burn time. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to use the Fireplace 42 Apex tool and I'm going to open up the bypass damper. I'm going to slide that out. I'm going to double check that my air control is all the way open. And then I'm going to use this piece right here. I'm going to insert it into the handle and lift it up and open up the door. Load my wood. Insert the handle mechanism and close the door. So now that our catalytic temperature readout is 500 degrees plus, we're able to go ahead and shut the bypass damper to operate our fireplace like it was designed to operate. Wow, look at that fire. That'll heat my house. So I just want to say thank you for coming into my home today. It's been a real pleasure having you. And remember earlier I said we got a lot to talk about, and boy, we talked a lot about stuff. So thank you very much. Have a good evening.